What's the name of the person that you studied?
Florence Nightingale.
When was she born?
1820, May 2nd.
Okay, and where was she born?
She was born in Italy.
Okay, born in Italy. Good job. Okay, when did Florence Nightingale die? How old was she?
90.
Okay. All right, where did she grow up?
Italy.
All right, did she have any brothers or sisters?
She had one sister.
And what was she interested in when she was growing up?
She wanted to help people.
Okay. And how long did she go to school?
She stopped school on age 12.
Okay, awesome. Okay, so what are a couple of fun facts about Florence Nightingale?
Florence's dad Florence's sister at home and her. In fact, 5 is in 1860 she wrote books.
Okay.